There is no one who does not like to eat rusk, dipped in tea or coffee. We will see how it is made in a factory. For this, batter, sugar and other ingredients are added to the mixer and mixed well. Molding is the next step. The needed mixture is machine filled into long molding boxes. Then they are put into the oven to bake. From here you get very soft bread. After leaving it to cool for a few hours, it is sent to the slicing machine for cutting. All these cut pieces are arranged one by one on trolleys. All these trolleys are put into a big trolley and taken back to baking, where it is cooked at 90 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. The baked rusk is sent for packing after it is thoroughly heated.